Be honest. You've tried making a routine before, right? You watched perfect morning routine videos, you wrote a timetable, you promised yourself, from tomorrow I'll become disciplined. And then tomorrow comes. You wake up late, you scroll your phone, your day becomes messy, and at night you feel guilty again. Bro, you're not lazy. You're just following a routine that was never made for you. Because here's the truth. A routine is not supposed to look perfect. It's supposed to fit your real student life. Today, I'll show you how to build your own perfect routine step by step. Not for ideal students, for real students who struggle with procrastination, burnout, low focus, and zero motivation. And at the end, you'll have a routine you can actually follow. Let's go. Most students fail because they copy routines. They see someone waking up at 5 a.m., gym, cold shower, reading, journaling, and they think, bro, I'll do the same. But their reality is different. Late night assignments, early morning classes, tuition, exams pressure, mental stress, family responsibilities. So when they fail, they blame themselves. But the real problem is this. You don't need a strict routine. You need a smart routine, one that works even when life is chaotic. So first, we start with the most important step, a self-audit. Before building any routine, you must answer one question. When do you actually work best? Not when you wish to work best, when you really work best. Take 60 seconds and answer this quiz. Energy pattern. Pick one. A. I feel fresh in the morning. B. I feel best in the afternoon. C. I become active at night. D. My energy is random. 2. Focus pattern. When do you focus most? Right after waking up? After breakfast? After a walk? After sunset? Late night? 3. Class schedule reality. Write your schedule like this. Classes start, classes end, tuition or coaching, travel time, meal time, sleep time. 4. Your biggest routine killer. Choose one. Phone addiction, procrastination, burnout, laziness, actually low motivation, overthinking, or anxiety. Now listen carefully. Your routine must be built around your energy, not your ego. If you're a night energy person, don't force 5 a.m. If you have early morning classes, don't plan heavy study at 6 a.m. If you crash after lunch, don't schedule deep work at 2 p.m. This is how smart students win. Now we build the routine. We'll build your routine like Lego blocks. Not one huge timetable, just simple blocks you can move. We divide the day into 4 parts: morning, study block, afternoon, evening, and each part has only 3 goals: protect energy, reduce distractions, create consistency. Let's start. Morning decides your whole day. Not because it must be productive, but because it sets your mindset. Your morning routine should be short and repeatable. Here's the peak routine morning formula. 1. Wake and water. Just drink water. This instantly improves alertness. 2. No phone for 20 minutes. Bro, this is the cheat code, because the moment you scroll, your brain gets dopamine without effort. Then studying feels painful. Science says dopamine spikes reduce motivation for harder tasks later. 3. One quick win. Do one small task. Make bed, wash face, 10 push-ups, 2-minute stretch. This builds identity. I'm the type of person who starts. That's it. Not 10 habits, not a 2-hour routine. Now the main thing, studying. Students don't fail because they don't study. They fail because they sit to study but don't actually focus. So we use a system, the 50/10 rule. 50 minutes deep work, 10 minutes break. And in the 50 minutes, phone in another room, only one subject, timer on. In break, stand up, drink water, walk. No reels, because reels are not a break, they're a brain hijack. Real example. Ali sits at 7 p.m. to study. He opens his phone for 5 minutes. It becomes 45 minutes. Then he says, I can't focus. No, bro, you focused on scrolling. Afternoon is where most students die. Energy drops, sleepiness hits, motivation disappears. So afternoon routine is not about doing more, it's about resetting your brain. Do this. 1. Food rule. Eat light. Heavy food, heavy brain. 2. 15-minute walk. This boosts blood flow and improves focus. 3. Easy task block. Do low brain tasks like revise notes, solve easy questions, make flashcards, organize backpack. Don't force deep study when your brain is tired. That creates burnout. Evening is where students either win or regret. This is the time for revision, preparation, and mental peace. Evening routine. 1. Reset your space. Clean desk in 3 minutes. A messy desk creates mental noise. 2. 1 revision session. Even 30 minutes, because revision builds confidence. 3. Plan tomorrow. Write only 3 tasks. 1 must-do, 1 study goal, 1 personal goal. That's it. Bro, if you plan 12 tasks, you will fail and feel useless. Keep it simple. Win daily. Now let's fix the real problems students face. Pitfall 1. I don't feel motivated. Fix. Motivation comes after action. Do 5 minutes only. Tell yourself, I'm not studying for 2 hours, just 5 minutes. Your brain starts, then it continues. This is called the Zeigarnik effect. Once you start, your brain wants to finish. Pitfall 2. I keep procrastinating. Fix. Remove friction. If you want to study, book open already, pen ready, phone away. Make the right action easy. Pitfall 3. I burn out. Fix. Stop overloading. Your routine should feel like 70% easy and 30% challenge. If your routine feels like punishment, your brain will escape. Pitfall 4. I can't focus. Fix. Focus is not talent, it's environment. Change environment. Silent room, 1 tab only, phone outside, headphones if needed. Now comes the most important part. Don't marry your routine. Test it. For 7 days, track only 3 things. 1. Sleep time. 2. Study time, real focused minutes. 3. Mood. If mood is low, routine is too strict. If study time is low, routine is too weak. If sleep is broken, everything collapses. Your routine should improve your life, not make you hate it. After 7 days, do this. If it worked, add 1 upgrade. Add 10 more minutes study, or add gym or walk, or add revision session. Only 1. If it failed, reduce it. Make it simpler, because the best routine is not the hardest routine. It's the routine you can follow even on bad days. Bro, listen, a routine doesn't change your life in 1 day, but it changes your identity in 7 days. And once your identity changes, everything becomes easier. If you're watching this and you feel stuck, I want you to know something. You're not behind in life. You're not useless. You're not a failure. You're just unorganized, and that can be fixed. 1 small routine, 1 small habit, 1 small win. And slowly, you become unstoppable. Start today, not with a perfect routine, but with a routine you can repeat. This is how you build the peak routine. If this video helped you, like it. Subscribe to the channel because I'll be posting more student growth videos like this, and share this with 1 friend who is struggling silently.
See you in the next one.